Household problems and repairs. Listen and practice.
Plumber.
Number 1.
The bathtub is leaking.
Number 2.
The sink is clogged.
Number 3.
The hot water heater isn't working.
Number 4.
The toilet is broken. Roofer.
Number 5.
The roof is leaking. House painter. Painter.
Number 6.
The paint is peeling.
Number 7.
The wall is cracked. Cable TV company.
Number 8.
The cable TV isn't working. Appliance repair person.
Number 9.
The stove isn't working.
Number 10.
The refrigerator is broken. Exterminator. Pest control specialist.
Number 11.
There are termites in the kitchen. There are fleas in the kitchen. There are ants in the kitchen. There are bees in the kitchen. There are cockroaches in the kitchen. There are rats in the kitchen. There are mice in the kitchen. Locksmith.
Number 12.
The lock is broken. Electrician.
Number 13.
The front light doesn't go on.
Number 14.
The doorbell doesn't ring.
Number 15.
The power is out in the living room. Chimney sweep.
Number 16.
The chimney is dirty. Home repair person. Handyman.
Number 17.
The tiles in the bathroom are loose. Carpenter.
Number 18.
The steps are broken.
Number 19.
The door doesn't open. Heating and air conditioning service.
Number 20.
The heating system is broken.
Number 21.
The air conditioning isn't working.